Welcome to London Corporation, where we turn your renovation dreams into reality. Are you looking to elevate your living spaces with stunning tile installations and renovations? From bathrooms to kitchens, our expert team specializes in creating timeless elegance in every corner of your home. At London Corporation, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated professionals ensure that every project is completed with precision and top-notch quality. Choose from a wide range of exquisite tiles to suit your style and preferences. Experience excellence with London Corporation, where attention to detail and superior craftsmanship meet. Let us redefine your space and bring your vision to life. Contact London Corporation today for a consultation and take the first step towards your dream renovation. London Corporation, redefining renovation excellence.